Hello parents, I show you my family. This is my family tree. My nucleus family is conformed from my husband and my son. We are the family Vivas Cruz. Our son, Elliot Jacob Vivas Cruz, is a very outgoing and talkative boy. He is a little researcher. He is 4 years old and he wants to be paleontologist. His father is Herman Vivas, my husband. He likes the science. He studied chemical technology in the University of Valle, and he wants to study biology in the University of Amazonia. She is his grandmother, Edna Carvajal. She is descendant with Toto of Caqueta. She has 2 sons and 3 daughters. One of hers is Madeleine Garzón, my mother-in-law. She is a good person. He is Carlos Folleco, her husband. He is a doctor. He is a stepfather of my husband and my brother-in-law Felipe Vivas. They are brothers of my brother-in-law Jesús Folleco. And this is me, Grace Stephanie Cruz Cárdenas. I love the science and I practice sport and I am ecologist. I studied chemical technology in the University of Valle and actually I studied biology in the University of the Amazonia. I have a brother, Julián David Cruz Cárdenas. He is a paramedic. We are the family Cruz Cárdenas. Our parents, Reina Cárdenas and Giovanni Cruz. Giovanni Cruz is my father. He has a son, Christian Cruz, my stepbrother, and he has a daughter, my stepsister. Her name is Jenny Cruz. She has a son, my nephew, Sebastián. My mother, Reina Cárdenas, is understanding and loving person. She is daughter of my mom, Licenia Rosero. She is the teacher of my maternal family. We all love her very much and take care of her. She is mother of 3 sons, my uncles, and 6 daughters, my aunts. We are all very united, even in the distance. I love my relatives. So, thanks college for listening to me. Have a nice day. Bye.